What's your name?
My name is Mohammed.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
You are 5 years old? Okay, what's your favorite color?
Red.
You like red color, okay? What's more? Can you say I can the can?
I can, but the can cannot come.
You say I can the can, but the can cannot can me.
Can the can, but the can cannot come.
Very good. Let me ask you more. If we say no pain,
No pain, no gain.
no pain, no gain. Okay? Okay, what's more? Easy come.
Easy come, easy go.
Yeah, okay, one more time. Say I can.
Can the can, but the can cannot come. Easy come, easy go.
No pain.
No pain, no gain.
Good. Thank you very much, Muhammad. I will post this one on my YouTube channel, okay? Yeah, you just need to just pushing likes. You need so many likes from your relatives. Goodbye. Bye-bye.